Yo, what's up guys, my name is danuzartz. Today I have a new video for you guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing some Yeezy blue tints. Now, this package just came up today, but I bought it like 30 days, 20 days ago. I did have some issues getting it from Go because I live in Finland, and the UPS is kind of hard to like ship here and stuff. Like I have to pay taxes, a lot of taxes. So, I'm happy that it's here now, because I do have a pair already. Let me show you guys the second pair. Now, as you can see, I have already a second pair. I've already been using it because why not? But they're a little bit used, they're not that clean anymore. But this is how they look. Let me just push this thing away a little bit more. You can see. Now, these are actually like my favorite kind of Yeezy, but I do like the breads and like the zebras. That's probably my favorite Yeezy, is the zebra. But this is my second or third favorite Yeezy of all of the V2s. Alright, so I'm gonna open the box. So let me just put these away quickly. So let me just take my knife and oops, camera moved a little bit. Let me just open the box right now. Alright, so let's open this box up right here. I hope the camera quality is good and the sound quality is good, because I'm recording my microphone and it doesn't pick up sound that well. So, and if you hear any background noise, that's just my parents and stuff. But while you're here, guys, you can click the subscribe button and leave 5 likes on this video. That would be much appreciated. And tell me what Yeezy is your favorite out of the V2s. Alright, so this box is opening, kinda. Just get it here. Just get this. Yes, there we go. Just open this up. If I could get this last part of tape out, there we go. And we can just remove this knife right here. Alright. So inside the box we have some wrapping paper with the goat logo on it, and some paper. I wish it was bubble wrap, because I like bubble wrap. And boom, that's what's inside the box. The Yeezys right here with the, let me just remove the knife because it almost fell on me. God damn, that was scary. Here's the box. Let me just get this box out of the way because it's in my way right now. And here's the Yeezy box. Let me just fix the camera quickly. Alright, there's the camera. Now, it came with this goat wrapping paper. Like, see, I'm not gonna try to rip the sticker because I need this sticker, because I'm gonna be selling these, because I really do have a pair, as you guys saw. Let's see if I can get the sticker off quickly. Now, Goat is probably my go-to shoe site, because they're all the shoe sizes and stuff, and they're actually pretty good, because they sent me an email that there was some issues getting this package to me. I'm just gonna rip it first. It's too long. I'm gonna keep this wrapping paper and tape it up back here. Here they are. Here's the box right here. This is the Yeezy V2 blue tints, as the box says. Right here it says Yeezy Boost, made by Adidas, Kanye. Size is 11 right over here, aka 45. And there's the blue tints inside. Alright, let's open up the box right here. Show you guys. Come out. Here's some paper inside. Alright, so this is what you get. You get an authenticated paper by Goat. see, by somebody named CD. All right, here's some of the paper. Just not trying to rip any paper because I need this. And here is the shoe, I suppose. Yeah, this is the shoe. Let me just fix it a little bit. Here's the shoes, guys. Like, this is the factory, and with all the authentic, you know, this real stickers and stuff. New boost, real boost. They're actually really comfortable, these Yeezys right here. Now, as I said, I do have a second pair, and I'm gonna be selling these. Now, you can tell me down below if you want to buy them or not, because I'm gonna be selling them for like 400, 500, size US 11. Now, yep. And the second shoe, I hope there's something else in the box. I want some good stickers. If there are, that's gonna be pretty hella nice and stuff. And here's the second shoe right over here. Whole shoe right here. Now I'm gonna put these on feet, not these, but mine own, and I'll show you guys how they look on feet. On feet, as you can see, this is my own, which I use. But here's with the laces done, the loosey goosey laces. That's what they call. They look hella good, and these are so comfortable to go in. Like this is my first pair of Yeezys that I have, and these are a lot more comfortable than the NMDs or any other boost one. I'm not sure why, but these look so good with the Adidas pants and with jeans also. So if you guys like this video, please hit that like button. It'd be really much appreciated. And yeah, hit the subscribe button also, and comment down below what your favorite V2 Yeezy are. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace out.